Mercedes Benz 2018 GLA250. The battery. This one is under the hood, and then there's an auxiliary on the passenger side, the front. I'll show you that. You know how to replace this. Coming through. Oh, good. This is more battery. That's right here. Which one? MTP 48H6. I'll pop this. Oh, everything's right here. Okay. Just gonna lose this one. 10 millimeters. Uh, 10 millimeter, like I said before. This one also. Need to play with it. Push it up. Disconnect this guy too. That's ventilation post. Uh, this guy right here is gonna be 13. He holds the battery, okay? That's how it looks like. It's the thing that holds the battery down. The ball is not that long. Pulse. Now remove the battery. Put the new one. Alright, this is 13. Remove this one. Disconnect this guy. Comes from here. Take this off. So you can put it to the side. So put everything back. You can lift this a little bit so you can put the secure. Okay. And put it back. Here, the battery, it might come with a plug. Just remove it. Remove this guy. I connect the battery. Everything goes in reverse now. This cap. There's two pins go in these two holes. There. You're done. Cover back. That's it. Okay, the other one is here in the passenger side. Okay, just remove your mat. Yeah, come here. Remove this. The wall. You see it right there. That's the battery. The other battery. Over here. Fold the mat like that. Here, up here, this one. Just push it up and pull the battery, like so. Okay, this is the one the auxiliary battery. Okay, there we go. So this is the auxiliary battery, the new one, SLA1005, 12 volts. This is the auxiliary battery, SLA1005, 12 volts, 1.3 amps per hour, 20 hours. Little battery. So you come over here, remove this guy, unplug it, just like that, and connect the new one. Put it, put it back in the slot. Cheers. And there, like so. Everything should be Gucci. Let's go back. Like that. And you're done. 2018 Mercedes Benz GLA 250. Boom.